Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I will be showing you guys how to make the easiest delicious pasta ever. This will probably take you 15 minutes. By the time you run to the restaurant to get it, you'll be done making it. Okay, it's so quick and easy and it tastes really good. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. Alrighty, to get started, I am going to season my pasta water. I am going to add a little bit of ground black pepper in there, as well as some oil. I am using peanut oil. Feel free to use whatever you have in hand, and I will be adding a little bit of salt in there as well. And then we're going to let this water comes to a boil so we can add our pasta in. Now it's time to add the pasta. This is the type of pasta I'm using. I know you saw it from the thumbnail, but you can use any type of pasta you're comfortable with or you used before. Alright, now I am going to give it a quick mix so it doesn't stick together, and then we're going to let it cook for 9 minutes exactly. Now these are the stuff that I will be adding in my pasta. You can use sausage, you can use ground beef if you want, but I am using hot dogs. I am going to fry the hot dogs until they're nice and golden. Just like so. Once they're done, I am going to remove it and put it in a different container so I can use them later. Now I am going to add a little bit of APs, fry it in there. APs is just green onion, parsley, red bell pepper, green bell pepper blend together. I do have a recipe. I will leave it down below, and it's also optional as well. Now I will be adding a little bit of minced garlic. I want this pasta to give a nice garlicky flavor, so I am going to add the garlic in there as well. Once my APs and my garlic is nice and golden, just like so, I am about to add the onion, the peppers, and also I have some jalapenos. I will save the jalapeno for later. But for the onions and the pepper, you want it to be nice and soft and not all the way cooked. You just want it to be nice and soft. Just like so. Once it is nice and soft, we're going in with the seasoning. Before we add the seasoning, I am going to add Prego sauce. This is the one I usually use. I added a little bit, as well as the pasta water. I am not going to throw it away. I will be using it. And if you have chicken stock or chicken broth, you can use that as well, but I usually use the pasta water, the water that I boiled the pasta with. Just add it in there to make a nice gravy, like a sauce. And I am not going to make it too watery. I am adding a little bit of the sauce, a little bit of the pasta water. Now I am going to add my jalapenos in there. I removed the seeds because they're really spicy. Now I am going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of Maggi cube. This is optional as well. And I will be adding my hot dogs in there. And if you guys didn't notice, I did add the rest of the pasta water in there until I basically like the texture of the water. I don't want it to be runny. I want it to be nice and thick. Now I will be adding my pasta. My pasta is nice and cooked. Like I said, I cooked my pasta for 9 minutes exactly. And we're just gonna mix it together. Once you're done, just mix your pasta with the sauce and you shall be good to go. I let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and basically that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know down below if you like this recipe. I haven't made a pasta recipe in a minute, so I thought I'll bring you guys this super easy and it tastes amazing recipe. I know you guys going to love it. Be sure you thumbs up the video, please. Let's get the video to 300 likes. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.